Good morning, children. Now we are going to study about the sense organs. The sense organs help us to perceive the stimulus from our environment. Our body has five sense organs. That is eyes, ears, nose, tongues, and skins. They are controlled by our body. All the sense organs are controlled by our bodies. So firstly we have to study about eyes. As we know, we have two eyes to look at the world around us and see different objects, colors, shapes and sizes, etc. The eyes are present in the sockets of the skull. Eyes are protected by the eyelids, eyebrows and eyelashes. The eyebrows protect eye from sweat and water to entering our eyes. Eyelids protect the eyes from dust and light, and the eyelashes protect them from injury. Now we are going to study internal structure of an eye. You see, this is the internal structure of eyes. This is the internal structure of eyes. You see, this is the dome-shaped area. Each has a dome-shaped transparent layer. In front, it is called cornea. And this behind, and here you see that is the cornea. And this is the part, black spot near the cornea. It is pupil. And behind there is crystalline structure. It is called lens. This pupil, it is black hole located at the center of the iris. A black hole located at the center of the iris is called pupil. It is called pupil. This is called pupil. This is the gray color located at the center, that is called pupil. You see, and this is a light sensitive layer at the back of the eyeball. It is the light sensitive layer at the back of the eyeball is called retina. This is sclera and this is choroid and this is retina. The round colored part around the pupil, it is called iris. Firstly, I told you that this is called iris. The nerve that sends messages to the brain from the eye. The nerve sends messages to the brain from the eyes. That means from the retina. Near the retina, in this place, the nerves emerges from the part of a retina. In this part, the optic nerves emerges, and here the image is not formed. This part is called black spot. This is called black spot. So the nerves that send message to the brain from the eyes, that is called the optic nerves. Now you see how we are enabled to see the object with the help of eyes. The light reflects from the object. We are looking at and enters the cornea. The pupil, the pupil and the lens behind it. The lens behind the pupil, that is the crystalline structure, and the light comes from the air to the crystal. The light waves bend. As we know, the light waves bend when the medium is changed. The light waves bend as they pass through the lens and form an upside down image on the innermost layer called retina. The image is formed on the retina. Optic nerves carry the messages to the brain, and we get to see a straight image. The place on the retina where the optic nerve emerges is called blind spot. It is called blind spot. The place on the retina where the optic nerve emerges are called blind spot. This is because image does not form at this spot. Now, care for the eyes. So eyes are very important part and it is very sensitive. So we should follow the steps mentioned below to take good care of our eyes. Wash your eyes with clean water and clean hands. Do not read in a moving vehicles. Do not watch TV from too close and keep a light on in the room to avoid eye strains. And sit at least 6 feet away from the television. Do not read in dim or very bright light. Do not read while working on the computer. Rest your eyes occasionally by looking away. This is all. Do not rub your eyes in this time. Do not touch your eyes. Before touch the eye, you have to wash your hand very carefully. So again, we are going to explain the structure of eyes. You see that this is the eyes. So a black hole located at the center of the iris, that is called the pupil. Each eye has a dome-shaped transparent layer. It is called the cornea. Behind the pupil, it is a crystalline structure that is called lens. You see that a light sensitive layer at the back of the eyeball is called retina. The round colored part, the pupil, is called iris. The nerve that sends messages to the brain from the eye, it is called the optic. It is called the optic nerve. So this is the structure of eyes. Now how we are enabled to see the objects. The light reflects from the object. We are looking at and enters the cornea. The pupil and the lens behind it. The pupil and the lens behind the cornea. First cornea, then pupil, and behind the pupil there is lens. Lens is the crystalline structure. So when the light waves bend as they pass through the lens, so the light from the air come to the crystal medium. That time it forms an upside down image on the innermost layer, that is called retina. So optic nerves carry the messages to the brain and get to see a straight image. The place on the retina where the optic nerve emerges is called the blind spot. This is because image does not form at this spot. So care for the eyes. I already explained it all. The tips for caring of our eyes, I told you. Thank you. You have to read it at least 2 times and draw the diagram.